다예 드린데 트래픽 딩고다데 가라 environment to chigmarwe what's the traffic the environment to ba
라
the environment to 가져서 근데 아버 정면도
트바
말 topic
토픽데 알레디 environment 코리글라 큐샵라고 큐샵 다 가둑이나 큐샵 사기도
오케이 그러고요 안드린데 딱 마시네 딱 니마 가시에랑 아주 가면 저 계절 마우 시에스브레 드레인 비사 망부지 남사 망부지 쉬야 스메베 소스 루스도 다디 다마시 디린디 수슬이야 제림디 닌타마르 차데도 산이네 안바 롬바신다 드라레
And the theme of this afternoon is the respect for environment. And generally, I have talked in the last days a lot already to this theme, so there is not much more new that I could say. And today is my last day of my travel in Switzerland. Tomorrow I will go on to France.
안에 드린 유산다 드린데 좀 지린들이 싫답니다 그래 네 오늘 다디 쿠유 스마베다지 마시 땅아라 슝두 계속 사서디 안에 다 회기 롱바 국교원을 지제 드레인 주산에 and modern development 스마베다지 근데 딩두기지 야게르 다 자완에 메스라노 드리어레 드리지기 롱바지레 깨브레 안드니 두산에 안 베기지 수균기 초와 스마르 수균기 초와야 지 냠수녀하게 투주 중세를 충분해
Concerning environment in generally, I am really living in a very isolated place in Tibet, where I was born, and the region where I can say that nothing of what exists today, all the progressive objects and things and machines and things that we have in the modern world. So I was really in this very traditional way of living in Tibet, which was really free from all these modern technologies.
균기 소외철이야 아니 런중기 쿠리올이야 지통 첨부선을다도 90 선을다도 딱 한다 통지 런중 쿠리올이야 지통 첨부시다 치그레스
And this traditional way of growing up in Tibet is that we were really the nature and the environment, we were really appreciating it very much. We were respecting nature very much. That's a big part of our culture.
living systems and that on the tene ta nirji bachi ta and ana ji la dang an ji hlamola so ba ta dinde ru ji ma bu ji ne ye ba ro ji dinde ji nga je ta sam tang ga re
so we think that for example the mountains, the places, that these are living systems, that there are many deities, gods and goddesses that are living in these natural places.
중세 지 가서 몽덴다고 섬으로 다지 초진이 캔서를 지래디 이나 초신다지니 엔텐저비지 가서 탑름티 규네 아니 지 미당 런중 쿠류 버루기 에는 지 데바 지 사무주의 데바티 바지 다지 아주 게르바 섬으로다지 수균도 초야 철이야 지 초와 개용의 미두 상으로 디기 띵 사버지 초르고에 버르지 근데 통고도
When we see this from one side, maybe this seems to be very blind faith, or maybe a strange way to look at things like in this way. But on the other hand, we can see that it is a wise method, in a way to bring respect to the people. The people have very much respect in this view for the nature and the environment. They have really a strong link and connection with the nature that is surrounding them. And this for many, many generations for these people who have been growing in this kind of traditional way of looking at things, this traditional culture.
그 괜히 든제 파시에 통하여 말해 괜히 상황으로다 biodegradable 라고면 돼. 그래야지. 쟤네 든데 짱짱 쟤네 안디 괜히 플라스틱 괜히 통하여 말해 괜히 사바지 괜히 루사여 말해 아니 괜히여 말해 든데 인상 디 아주 포율의 치수다 플라스틱 package 제샤버도 잘라서 내는두산 그주디 괜히디 걸 고쳐 말다 간주면 주 유지 간주면 유아의 초전에 고좀 고쳐 말 그래서 남주 아주 수익이 처에 나눠려야 된제 괜히데 고 유샤나 고 열심히 해 차지자 된제도 삼로 코세 그주디 긴기 걸려 고좀 고쳐 말
And in my homeland, home region, at my time when I was living there was no plastic garbage. There was no plastic garbage at all. All the garbage that we had was biologically can be eliminated organically, so there was not even a garbage bin. There was no garbage and no garbage bin. Only later then there were arrived in this region some plastic wrappings, and it was being thrown out in the nature everywhere, because before everything was organically dissolving in nature. The people didn't understand that with plastic it doesn't work in the same way.
직제에서 말하면 팀가 나눠라 자기 잘라도 수있네 드레 망부지 딱 공고예버도 마다베 지 망부지 요만 지 TV 사로다 진짜면도 이제 요만해
Und genauso auch die Dinge.
And also the things, the objects that were used at home were objects that we were using for the daily life. We needed them. All these objects, like TVs and all these things, they were inexistent in our lives.
뉴중 초시에로지 수균기 비밀소와 계단을 뉴중 초시에디 슈첨버를 줘야 되버지 통고도.
Und so
And what I see here in the Tibetan culture, the way Tibetans are living, there is this principle of having little desire and to be happy and content. And I think this is really practiced well.
dieses wenig
To be content, to be happy with a little, to be happy with small wishes. This is really an important practice in Buddhism.
총화 대줄이야. 다버도 접도 총화 대줄. 에네 두중 초시 된 거를 그런 소화 계단데 두중 초시 실시하는 거지. 드디지가 토한다 소화 계고 여브래.
Zum Beispiel.
For example, especially the monks and nuns are ordained people. They have this practice of a little desire and contentment. This is a really basic and general important practice for them.
접도 총에는 근데 접중 나라려야 다지 highest somewhere 다지 그런 dombar 주면서 디즘버 토슈딜이야 안 gelon다 gelon마사지 용대요.
So
when we talk about ordained people, the highest ordination then is the fully ordained monks and nuns, bhikshus and bhikshunis.
빅슈도 빅슈니 사디 치고네의 벽에는 교입니다. 저 롱아 바사르 롱모롱겐르지 고야르스 롱모롱게서 단도나 장본르지 베거르지 고야르스.
When we understand this word in Tibetan, gelung and gelungma, when we translate this, longwa means a beggar, a useful, good beggar.
Pero gelon르지 라는데 베거트 레용도 롱모장 롱모 레용도 사나 디 야우시다 야마르와타지 양 배발해야지 양디 데버시다였어 말해. 제자 배배 로자와 되지 에네딜이야 치 디스 넘베스 겹지 개월롱아스 개월롱모장 게사르지 다가다 개와사르바 퇴퇴버겨셔지 마도 빅슈사르 오늘은 롱모장 게지고 그랬어.
then
The word bhikshu, bhikshuni means then a beggar. But because in Tibetan the word beggar is not seen as a good word, we have to feel shame when we talk about a beggar. So the translators have translated it in gelong, which means a beggar of that which is holy, which is wholesome.
왜난지 다 세네로 토슈르 대차려요. 다 디민 세민이야. 다 로모아스라요도사 다가랑기 가르쳐다지. 여러도 좀 소화디 누준 초시로 시샤로지 임바지. 들리지 통도 그랬어.
und
So these vows of a gelong and a gelongma, the fully ordained monk and nun, this highest vows of these ordained people. So the word is really a beggar, and this means that the fundamental practice of this gelung and gelungmas is to be content and to have little wishes.
드리 뉴스 배나 갤론치기 코란 가르쳐에 코란게 다 납스서 말해 다 돌로서는 다도 다디 조디다 초 넘숨사 또 수용디 걸봐 드리 다 초고 디조 제베 있나 제선다 데나 템바 장고 거라 템바 겹 다들 템바 겹네 아니 타마들 거면 밀어와 접섬래 지 다지 템바 먹어야 다 타마들 야 건도 미루는 거지 드리지 차연두산에 아니 디지 제디소 지와 가셔에 지 치다르단 기지단 조스 장마서하는 근데 비주단으로 다 대양 아니야지 타마들이야지 가셔에 셔게 주게서 말하다지 tum부로 차소나 다데 지 직베 나로를 참점 직버들이 개주산에 직버를 샬라던두산에 안디 나로래 안에 바 룩체 레드 디나루지 직버를 샬라단을 붙이지 근데 쟤네 엔다 베데 무투니 배주단 촐라만 로르지 근데 쟤아지 루스에 대비해서래.
In this way, the robes of a Gelung, a fully ordained monk. As there are 3 Dharma robes. So when one of his robes have a hole or broken, then they will be repaired with a piece of cloth. And when they're really getting old, after a time when they have lots of repairing pieces on it and they cannot wear them anymore, then they will be washed and be used for other purposes. And also when this is not possible anymore, then we will use them to repair, for example, holes in the walls. So this is the use of old worn out robes. And the basis here is not to waste anything at all, so that we take use of everything as long as it exists.
ane gergi sonjo chesho mara tawa gergi tadi nguma kishe do dan debe nisur ma tada de jigal yo mara ta ine ji sonjo gergi personal de sonjo jike mise ta 시제 찬다 제마 저버지 차대요래 제자 급디 두산 뒤에 기변에 벤저드 상물로 다른 사람들은 소셜라이즘 스물 지소를 노도 소셜리즘
Socialism. Socialism.
디 지소를 노도 다들 제제 아니 집에기 견두지를 표시하는데 아니 집에 다보자마도 배주 당마도 계획이 배주 동초만에 안다나 신지 다들의 개발도 긴dü를 표시하는데 긴dü를 배주 동거래 안지 상계를 표시하는데 상계 시체도 배주 동서마로 들이쳐오래.
Also, this was at least like this in the older times, maybe today not anymore, but the monks and nuns should not have any personal belongings. The socialism was actually really mainstream, so generally we were authorized to use things that were belonging to everybody, but we didn't have any personal private belongings in this sense. So from the Sangha and the Buddha, they were living like this.
Sangye diye gindyung de Sangha tinde da karshura ji kandas laurdan zingyon karsa de zingyon karsa management mayimbe karsa ore administration do ji tinde ji Sangha ji system do ji swanam de ene tabena chochikne koram ene karshura Sangye koram ta ji chundu gese che gebe se me indusane administration lobjong chawurba tini tinjega thwane kada ji rabdu chung the system shibuji tembo chi swana yaros ti gyunzen la dene ane ji gyagalya ji nguma ji phaji ta thurib thi kawlya phaji ji university samarba ta ji da te kijamen chi su ta ji nalenda sa da bikramashila sa tinjega ta university somar nangsho lomnyon chesa sula lomnya ka tinje mangbu chumbre ta phaji kap thidu sane zumbuling galya university ngasho chi phaji cha de yusre ta tinje yong kwa de zo de gindyung gi de horanji temor shye che an dana singi ti gi an da ji karshura da ji economics samar ta ji benjor ko jodan de samlo ta savage denzu savage insa tinje ga thwane ane university ma wuji yong da tinje pigen ra ji gyuzi zo ji tinje cha de ya da tinje shenye de yong de
As the Buddha, the administration for the Sangha has introduced administration for the Sangha because Buddha in first part of his life in the first years of his life. He was a prince, and through that he has really brought a lot of experience in concerning administration. So he has really introduced rules and administration for the ordained Sangha. And later in his life, then came, not later in the tradition, there came these big monasteries like Nalanda, Vikramashila, that were the first biggest universities of this world. They were the first universities of this world. There were places where the Sangha was living together. This is why also there was a special system how the finances were ruled, administration was handled. So this brought up all the rising of all the big monasteries.
problem 가라산다 집에 기변의 긴두지 체도 다 망보지 표로 봐. 그때지 개보이네래 다나 신기 다지당게 미만 규만 된데게 다 긴두지 체도 망보지 표현도 사네. 다데 남산남산데 배주 동초고 말아 다 집에 체도 되게 샤제. 되게 제마도 미게르게 배주 동안에 갈아 가버려 자리온 제산 답에 huge summer 되게 직배 바나 가르쳐다 zöönröp 지 광zöönröp 지 시비지 여자 이 고마침부터 지나 지 여라서 다 집에 채되게 여배 인도사 아니 치수 아니 가지기 마데 야가리 연두산 안 당부 공바디즈나 친세 아니 공바디즈 torjomru cheje garasan dinanor ta shibji gyujalar shibiyo inza de de samalo toji chimres de suwa.
There were also, on the other hand, there was a problem that arose. Then there were brought a lot of offerings from the lay people, from the kings, and then the monasteries which could not be used, the monastery were not allowed to possess something. This is why they started to build these treasure chambers in the bigger monasteries. And then later, when the Muslim wars happened, then they attacked the monasteries first and destroyed the monasteries. And they saw that in the monasteries there were many there was much richness. There were these treasure chambers.
두중 초시에서디 아주지 쿠유리아 가주에지 가주에다지 가르라다 숭줍사로 가서 다디 지알이야 아주지 information 장 팬토멘도스 가르사나 이제 체르베지 다지 셰제다 간다 지 research 체제 된데겠다 이제 가서 준제 되네 아주 information 뭐 보시다 돼요 아래 이네 information 다지 knowledge 집이 팬토면도스 레벨 나로레지 주셔버지 집이 팬게면도스 간제체장 아주지 지 레벨 난기 니즈디 지 수수기 다지 오늘 지금 샘토를 냠렌치아래 바 컨디션 교화동고 트랜스폼 가르치려고 하대. 이 개첨부를 차례도스.
This means that today I would like, because we talk about environment, I would like to talk about this contentment and to be happy with little desire, to be talk about the contentment. In order to protect and respect nature and the environment, today we have a lot of information through the scientifics. They examine and observe everything, so we have a lot of information, but only to have information in our brain, this is not helpful. So we have to see what are we doing with this wisdom which is in our brain. How can we bring it into our mind, heart, and also do something with it, transform it in order to become active on the basis of this knowledge.
네, 체리베 베나 쿠유기 에너지 ecology 데 세리 버티수다 알아봐 다나시 출루다 우티선한다 spiritual leader 인지미다지 출루가 산다지 spiritual leader 수 냠도 내가 체제 진짜가 토하네 간다지 지금 아주 구육 내된들이야 편유 침벽 토하네 아주 가수에 순급 채토야지 용거래 삼바를 지든지 미만벽에다 저와로 이체 용되게 하래.
So I think it is important today in today's world that the scientifics which are examining nature and environment and also the spiritual leaders that they really talk and work together, so then we can really be helpful for environment to see what is harmful for environment and what can we do to protect environment. I think this is really something which is concerning many people.
순급사대 참섬질 랭귀지부터인데 가서에 demonstration부터 제 나나 신지 미세다 랭귀지부터 배 드리셔버 잠시 편타요 말해. 구유에 다 구유기 가서 내된데 아주 니머지기 미세나로 수 초와게당라 소부터 내가 토네 에너지 거랑 가서야지 교환도 가서 뒤토네 에펙트 용되게 여비 인두사네 디 균sel되네 아주 그 순급이 장고 줘야 돼 수수기 니머지기 초와게당 삼동당 되네 고주제 제과지 뭐지 동교래.
When we, for the well-being of our environment, for the protection of our environment, when we go to demonstrate, I think this is not very helpful. Then there is no special demonstration which we could make. I think rather in order to protect environment, we have to see how in our daily life every day, the way we are living and our art way of living, which effect it has on an environment. And also I think in order to protect environment means that at any day of our life, in each of us as an individual has to contribute, so we have to change our ways of living.
드레이두상 아주 남준 지 세리비 시작 measurement 다나 신기 지게 장가를 든데 망부지 시에 연주선 되게 상황은 아주 아주 그뒤에 이제 레벨나로 주대 마도베 등원의 전에기 텔레덴체 지 소수 지 원의 전에 셈는 구교를 태세 근데 지금 토안에다 motivation 지금 안자 액션도 사바지 렌트하디 참석 가보시고 그래서 땀 많이 지립게 시야 많이지 같이 다는 체제 시기에 인도선 다 되게 생각해 가보시고.
And this is why when we have so many informations, when we have so many numbers and statistics and knowledge informations, this is all happening on the level of the understanding in the brain, but it doesn't mean that these informations land in our hearts and that we will change our behavior. This is a difficult thing to do. Most of the scientific observations, examinations and numbers are really focused on exterior things and don't produce any inward change.
Smoking, karlata.
Smoke,
Right?
cigarettes.
다 담아 대한으로지 차시면 다들 배순직 쳐래. 다 담아 뉴욕에서 도망고 장문을 잡자체. 대점도 맞으면 담아 고란 태양 담아 금중디 강리야 에너지 워닝 제체. 와 년가요 어res다. 네 템비나 년가요 어res다 든데기 이기티. 삼삼 가시라 빠르자르. 디르라메리 쳇과. 또 맞다. 제가 지 원인 때 다음에 지 다 교랑 가교 나교 가르라오다 지 남들 잘 살라면다 다 간다지 남들 찬로레스 지금 뭐 지네 근데 그 탱겐 되게 왜 모두 텐데 아마도 디술레 미세 즉 도나로 되지 되게 들려 인포메이션 되게 토네 거기 심 구조 모티베이션 해야 돼 참석 가보쳐도
So, for example, when we take the example of smoking cigarettes, then it is always, we are always told smoking is unhealthy, or on the package of cigarettes it's written smoking, all kind of informations there, smoking kills, or smoking is not good for your health, and there are also these horrible pictures. So there are all these advertisements, all these informations and warnings on these packages, but finally it does not make a big effect on the person that is smoking. The smoker just continues to smoke. So these informations stay on the level of the knowing, of the knowledge, but don't really help to change something on the level of the mind.
ignorance 말하면 머리바 되베지 툭다는 취네 슈치다로 취지 이제 툭 시에신도 사대야 수지 다 든지비지 용대가
So our ignorance in us human beings is sometimes so strong that we don't recognize things the way they are.
드니 인주스탄에 안다지 가주에 the spiritual samarwada jing 아주 tradition 대주단 다나 지금 나주에 시대하기 아니 제가 아주지 굴론선에 장도 다 간다고 내가 같이 제비미나 되지 굴론지 제수 쪽에 인두산에 다 굴론이야 지 도난자다 아니 지 굴론이야 소주가라 야게도야 대 개침부지 시과 겸선지 되지 토대유스.
So I see that what is in the spiritual traditions and also in Buddhism, what is explained when it is talked about motivation, whatever we do is following our motivation, should follow our motivation. This is why I think it's very important that our interest and attention is really focused on our motivation and intention in order to see how we can improve our intention and motivation.
다 디나네 당기 권주변에 시게 단 류중 초시에 니여베 인두산 다 디나네 초시에서야디 류중레지 초시에데 다 개체로 집 자리 유스래.
When we then talk about contentment and little desire, these are 2 points. One of them is the contentment, what we describe as the contentment. Contentment is even more important than have little desire.
다디 두 내가 충원해야 돼. 한코디스 가데 김생 가라서 내가 충원해야 돼. 내가 충원라를 말은 내가 매발라요 말았어. 조진 데래. 다는 내가 충원 근데질은 내가 충원해서 그래서는 다디 가버려도 왔잖아. 내가 충원해서 내가 충원 체르디. 다 가버려도 와. 가지고 내가 충원해서 라주산. 다 근데질이야 내가 충원을 체르비스야 돼. 가버려
And we talk about having little desire or small desire. Then when we look at this, examine this, then that means, of course, to have little desire doesn't mean we have no desire. But when we ask ourselves, what does little mean? What is the measurement of this desire? How can we measure when is it much and when is it little? This is not easy to define.
밥에 주시 말해. 오늘 장가고라 지러지러. 다 맞아. 지 마차 버리 밥에 주시 드리셰베 커돌리아. 아니 초시에디 조르 소체. 지 조응에 연설기 초시에발라 소바다 최고 연연적이 초시에발라 소바다 망부 소유디산 다들 촉시에 개체부터 차리 유사라.
Und deswegen, wenn
This is why when we talk about the four noble vows, then one of them is the contentment is something very important. It is one of the main points, the most important point of these explanations.
Contentment,
Contemplation.
satisfaction.
Wow. Contentment. 다 남주인 시에래 contentment 사디 natural resource. 다 natural resource 저지. 레사지 다 용디 거봐. 다 뒤로 체체. 고 초시 예비나 고 전신기 다주 전신기 고 resource 예대로 초시 예비나 가도 이내지 만당와르시당 가도 이내지 대바마가 가도 이내 가세 유네 대수지기 하나 지금 대바마가와다 만당와다 에너지 마조반으로 들이지기 사무과대지 어디 있으래.
When we have contentment, then we have, of course, all that we need, all that we wish. That means we always have all the resources which are complete when we have contentment. When we are lacking contentment, then however we will possess, we will never feel that our wishes or desires are fulfilled. We will never come to a point where we can say, now it is enough. We will always have the feeling of lack.
참점 드레 사운마다 지지 오늘 고랑 가수라다 지 고물을 겹제 안다지 가수에 데바다 마음베 지 데베 제미지 마음 뉘모습 제제 안 다대기 가수에지 내가 가수에 내다로 가려 뒤도로 봐 갑자기 베르지 우기 교하러 드레질레 봐 삼다지 제비네 안치고 contentment sadly 용토야르지 바지 용서를 삼도스팅도.
Here, concerning this, there are many philosophical explanations and background or proofs that we could explain, but sometimes it's like this: the more we explain things, the more it becomes difficult to understand it. So here, when we can recognize that in the meditation, don't follow the past, don't invite the future, stay in the here and now, in the situation here and now. When we practice like this, then we can really progressively contentment can arise in us.
네, 가수에 배다지 happiness somewhere. that derivative. 야, 다지 오늘 가르다 강가 매대버지 때 직든지기 지 초아 지 셈콘 취스마르 다 derivative 전화 버지 연디 알아 가시지래. 근데 이제 커둘이야 아주지 에지 가르다지 우 중물이야 셈대지. 근제가 토하네 안다 검잡이 연주사네 마시 가상의 쉬변한 시래 오늘 지금 디기 저기 다다랑 유해돼 버리지 딱 가다가 아주 우야 동네차 우 동안 매비나 안 가야 매대가 샤도래 다디 우디야 지 저런 일이 변거 말아 다디 왜 추준이 유습시 안 다지 다 베베게 제시하는 샤마숨 제 주주다 다지 망부지 여로다 딱 간다 가리님이네 된대지 아주 우기 교화데 반 맞게 버려 도스 땅고 말해 때 바로 맞게 봐디 다이네 팀상 뒤줄이야 추디조 공부를 차추 장마도 좀 녀고 그래 안제마다 우디조 쪼가 차지 우에 녀고 개요나 하고서 말았다 지 우디조 옥시전디조 마시 데 캐나다게 우 장마 oxygen의 제네 야나라 중국어라스 근데 가셔야 지 근데 지금도 가셔지 베이징도 와봐 지 pollution 수치에서 옥종 지가 알아서 다 oxygen 장마도 다 가시 다 아버지 하고서만 다 가르쳐요 간다르 제네 말아줘 느리지 발마 제가 동고야래 다 대야 소술래 정신기 유예되지 말해 다디 실론 수지 지신아 잘라서 대존의 수 용과야지 차려야래 다 진짜기 컨디션디 가두이네 지 유예 버르체 드림이 뉴스 때문에 전에 제비는 아주지 지 하래가 항상 거버서는 다 간다 원서게 봐 근데지 차려야 드림 뉴스 뒤균서 다 다랑기 거 지삼버 당비미네 때 갈아 간사로지 초시 버르지 이층 버르지 용토를 삼정도
Sometimes when we feel a bit helpless or when we think we don't have anything or we feel lost, when we in this moment remember to focus on our breathing, on our inhale and exhale, and meditate in this way as it was explained yesterday, then we can really see that to be happy, the happiness is really something directly accessible, directly present when we concentrate, focus on our breathing, when we breathe. And then when we stop breathing, then our life is finished. So we have to inhale, exhale one after the other. This during 24 hours a day, 365 days a day. And this without any moment of pause. And when we see this, there is a lot of problem with clean water, and we have to buy clean water in bottles, and maybe one day we will also lack clean air, and that we will have to buy oxygen. There is already places in China and Peking that are selling fresh air from Canada. I don't know exactly how they do this, but anyway, we have to breathe without any pause, and when we focus on our mind or let our mind rest on the breathing, then we can see that the air that we breathe in comes from outside of us and is produced by the plants and trees that is growing in the environment. This situation is really something very astonishing and very wonderful. When we concentrate and focus and see this, then in our mind there will be more and more growing contentment to feel happy and wondrous about this marvelous situation.
다 뒤주만 셰 나람 살아 되게 알아. 참서 딜릴 연구하래. 아 딜릴 거두 요네 네바르 차요도. 딜릴 거두 요네 지 마디아르 차요도. 디. 다 초진이 블루 마라 직진이 가랑 노주주지입니다. 지 가라 센시티브 류보디 센시티브 알레르기 체머즈메로. 남주 딜릴 매 삼서도 가셔. 다 딜릴 리두스 거두 요네 마디아르 차요도. 제자다 수실이야 가산 레듀스하네 다 신다 가마진의 수시기다 지고라 넘시 장마를 지어버지 컬룽 당장으로 지어버 인두사네 다가랑기 고라 다 디기를 지다 다가랑기 지 오네 지가 이쯤을 지 신다 가면에 다가랑기 다 디스원서서로 지지 용고도 제상 딘디지 삼담이 미네 그라 지 초시에서야디 요아예 되지 되시샤
Normally in my situation most of the time I live in Dharamsala, and sometimes I go to Delhi, and normally when I go to Delhi mostly of the time I get sick. It can be because of the pollution of the air, but also because my body is very sensitive and is not used to this unclean environment and is dirt everywhere. So, however, as I came to Switzerland for the first time a few days ago, here in Switzerland, the air is very fresh and pure. Everything is really clean. So the air you breathe is very clean and fresh. And this only gives me a sense of feeling happy and to feel content and happy, and without the wish to possess anything else. So this feeling of happiness can be given immediately to a feeling that everything is correct and fulfilled. And when we think like this, then we can really generate this contentment in ourselves.
Bei euch ist natürlich noch
Here, of course, you are living here. For you, maybe it's nothing special, but when you go to Delhi, then you will understand me.
다지 데베 젠라로 체네 지금 데베 치점 데베 제수 잡아 대주지기 간다지 류심랑 예수 요한 깔아 하버라 류데스면 예수를 요한 깔아 하버라 다곤 데바디 푸슈를 제시 다 류심 데베 예수 짠네 메지 딱지 가르에 에 류나데스면 예수 메지 제시들지 바지 용그레 삼정도 데인도 삼점 무유기 오늘네 가르에 니술레디 excitement 선한다도 야나 desire디 슈체요 그러지 배선으로 슈입니다 배는 남규가 저다 디너 섬으로 공다 칼라스 거래 남규 사디가 그래 미세들이야 지 excitement 게 미세데디 게요 말해 다 이내 참정 아주 낭배 최시두산 공 치료 칼라스 하면서 지어봐 배나 개념을지나 년에고 돈발렘베가 니샤지가 돈발을 렌즈 체베걸이야 치료 칼라 사주고 말아 다르도 중원데 중원에 챈다 치료 칼라도 사주고 다 드시는 거 중앙상 다 유슈 다 개념이 시에나 가서래 개념 되죠 스타 디 니샤지가 돈발 렌드 되네 치료 칼라 사주고 말아 치료 칼라 사마조디 테네직 examen 레온도 치료 칼라 사메두사 다 치료 칼라데 컨딘 삼 디콜라지 삼로지 코데알지 examen 주지 오늘 클래스 사두사네 시다시다 할레아스 게메딩에르지 코란디 it's normal 주지야 is nothing special 다 이네 코 excitement 디기 안직 ken kuran kala ngone de le ko examen de shuksha 심벌을 심나르지 심보르지 samsaru지 다는지 망보지 대화로지 다 드르시 온다도 와 드니두사 디균센 때는 따지 되바다 examen 디다 푸슈 제제 다 간다 오 루심 예수 메버지 되지 용디가 알아 루심 예수 메버지 단도나 예수 메버도 제인두사네 근데 디기 와사래 가오쇼 가라 찌기 제라 찌기 제라 찌기 제인두산 안다지 가라서 코 타르 딜 매비 인두산 다 찌기 제라 찌기 제라 딱 간다 시시바도 아니지 제인두산 시글라래 디기 마종체 그라 가버지 드르지 바지 샤레스래
When we have a lot of desire and there's a lot of desire and we follow the desire, then of course our body and our mind will not find rest and peace. It is difficult to relax our body and mind, and when body and mind don't find peace and freedom and rest, then it is also difficult to feel happiness and to be content. To feel contentment. Normally, we all of us eat a dinner, evening meal, and this is not something special, which this is not something that is special because we do it every day. But sometimes when we do special practice, for example, the vows of the lay people, then it would say to have one meal per day, then we would not take a dinner or evening meal. And normally with the monks and nuns, it is like this, that they would never eat dinner. But I don't want to talk about this subject, because otherwise we will have to feel shame. But when we talk about the practice of the lay people, when they take these vows for one day, then they shouldn't eat in the evening. And when we do not take an evening meal, then we get a little bit excited or nervous, and we start to think more than when we eat. Then it's not very special to not to eat, but when we don't eat, then we feel a bit excited about this, and we think, oh, how nice the evening meal is, and how nice the taste of the evening meal is, and then we have all this desire coming up to have this evening meal, and then it's this our mind and body which don't come to a rest, don't feel peaceful. And when body and mind don't come to rest and don't find contentment, then don't relax, then there is no happiness. And when we live our lives like this until our death, then we will never find happiness in ourselves.
Debasado zonda mebichi mindusane da susu chöchen chokshchen da dagazi yabo rendo samaru cheche tendiji thwane susu lungalia lusimnilia ngesoti susu ki control cheche da ngesoti susu te ngesoti da maji susu tewa da keshimur chade yore.
So then it is important to understand that the desire never finds an end. We have to decide to have a measurement through the contentment, to say it's enough, this is enough. And in our body and mind, to let our body and mind rest and decide for a measurement of what is enough, so that we can improve and feel this contentment.
So living style din gyua toya la chokshi jibugi chokshi jidande shizaruti mongshirute gwa de keshimuru chokshi jibugi and gyua toya nuba ji kashwe it's not enough somewhere not raji nuba dange shebaru yongwa ana somtang.
But in order to change our living style, then even if we see that the contentment should be the foundation, only to practice this contentment is not enough, doesn't have enough potential and power to change our lives fundamentally.
Und ich denke, was wir
I think what we also need is also to renounce the renouncement, that we turn away from our desire and from our attachment. That is very important.
Very hardship sumarvetaji oner cha kala khaburchi jidami chetwa kala khaburchi ta ine tin tin de xia was kemendo ta yimine the principle sumarvetaji nginjong de xianlo principle de jimaji de xere jawe ke zu xian zhengmen.
When we, as the Buddhist scriptures tell us, we want to free ourselves from suffering and let go of desire. I think this is something a bit more difficult, but I do not want to address this topic. I just want to talk about the principle of letting go, of releasing, and of letting go.
Tindir shisha chene tindir shizar che yon de bin dusana energy jizo nalo le binea ji.
Just want to address the principle of renunciation.
Social being realities kharsa da de kharsa jizo sue sha be demba sa da kharsa jizo sue sha demba ji su da social
reality.
reality. reality no 간다 지 지조 나눠려야 빼나다지 가수에 왜답 간다지라고다지 부인은 드리지 인고래스다 다지 지조 나눠려야 그런 드리지 그래서 부인은 드리지 인고래 보모인은 드리지 인고래스 드리미네다 부디 내가 봄 때가로 자기의 마상와 그런지 데 거체 말롱버지 보모인은 드리지 인고래스 아니 잘안 되고 부인은 되게 잘안 되고 보면은 잘안 되고 지지 되고 피되고 하랬다 체시루지 선한다다 지티 뎀버르지 지조난 야 쇠셔 뎀버르다 이 중국어 봐 다들이 셴주산 이제 근산때네 강갈로지 지기질이야 가수라다지 디긴 지den기 디지 가수라다 근데 쇠셔 될이야 이체로 제제다 그거야 또 차리
So today there are these social realities in the society. For example, to be a man, you have to behave in this and that way, or to be a woman, to have to be in this or that way. And if you don't do, then you're not really a man or not really a woman. And so when we are a man, we need this and these things, and when you are a woman, you have to behave in this and that way, and you need this and that. This is really a kind of laws that are intrinsic laws, because we are living together. Then most of the time we don't have choice, and we have to live dependent on these rules of the society.
야, 엄마가 당보 야, 용도 딜리 용도 뭐라 들어 방고요 말아. 뭐라 시다요 말아. 다 딩상 과치네 트래픽 잼 루체. 나봐도 딩상 가르사. 가서 안란데 가르사디. 지 차다야. 어디
La.
odd and even car number Japan three andra yaye with drocho sani cha you drocho jiba England you
loso.
na so da angye semo teshu da de indusane de system de social da tando kala khab chigare 5 million cars somewhere DRS Dililia. Adando Nima Taba Rishi and Morastaba Tonta Shing at the Morastaba registration. Chigaras. Morastaba Tank. Young TV. I did do some things in Moranachi or Moratani or Dili Daniel. 거기지 뭐라 데만 가르치는 뭐라들 데만 차르스
For example, when I came to India, in the beginning there weren't not so many cars in India, but today there are daily traffic jams, and there was introduced this system that certain car numbers are allowed to drive on certain days, and on other days the other car numbers immatriculation would be allowed to drive through. So this is to get rid of the traffic jam, but this come with other problems. In Delhi there are 5 million cars, and this means that also daily every day 4 or 5 new cars are registered. 4 to 5,000 new cars per day. So I have asked one day when I was in Delhi, I asked a Tibetan driver, why are there so many cars?
다디 수수기 네버 김세 되게 뭐라지 녀자 되네 수수기지 마녀는 지금도 스타지 녀고도 네버지 녀고에 된자 아니 수수지 녀고를 치하지 갈리갈리 제제 참녀돼요.
So he told me because when the neighbor buys a car, then oneself has to buy a car as well, because it continues like this. When the neighbor buys a car, then oneself has to buy a car. Then one day after another, there are new cars coming.
즉 제대교에서 내가 지지 수수chen 다 ignorant 줄 차지 다 간다 수수 릭더니에 대 상부 남주 배제만 당시 아니 고랑 디기 가르쳐 지 칠로기 예 가르쳐다 지 가르쳐 칠로기 안다지 슈겐스 말 디슈 왕도 친체 아니 고랑 로데야 주셔도 제자들이 인중의 현로사데 진짜 왕도 마땅치지 수수기 외에 따지 가서래 수수기 다지 남주 배주 단체 수수의 능력이 요하체지 다 간다 수수 랑가데 수수 담차 톱단다 다지 진짜지 누바되는 거래사지 그러시죠.
This means this is the situation today, that when one person does something, then we have to follow up. We have to do the same. So instead of using our own intelligence and wisdom, we just follow in an ignorant way this system. And we are under the influence of these external influences, circumstances which decide about our lives. So when we talk here about renunciation and letting go of desire, then this means that we are not under the influence of these influences, but that we have the intelligent wisdom to choose our own way, and also the right to choose our own way, and to use this right and this possibility to decide our own way.
Reality when any meaning da energy social reality teliaji kasunga be what jume ba tongbe tone ani suzugi dendön chögwa de rangi dendön chögwa de kechum을 차려.
So if the social reality see that it is not really a reality, it is more like a lie than a truth, so that we find and choose our own way, which is fulfilling for ourselves. So this is important.
랑가디 아주 상마 집에 간 로로 아주 상마로 랑가지 간 로로 랑가지 간 로고 두산에 되는 아주 강에 태워다 데 뭐라 가져다지 가두이네 트래픽 잼들 차지 되네 갈라카부 차리요 안다는 pollution 담아 붙이 차리요 제가 디균센데네 디균센데네 딱 간다 아주 상으로 되지 가져에 덴덴디 수수용 외에 가져에
Like in this example with the cars, when one buys a car, then we also have to buy a car. Then maybe we don't need to, it's not a must to buy a car. It is our decision. It is in our decision to buy a car or not. But when we have bought a car, then of course we have no other choice than to drive on the same street. And this of course brings upon the traffic jams and also air pollution and environmental pollution. And this is why it is very important for ourselves to decide what is good for us and what is good to do and what is good to leave not to do.
가서 나로래 가서 튜브 체네 사는 장도 냠도 내과디 개심 사대요 이내야 따지 덴바 가서에 이내야 땅아 왜 니줄 가래마 대양 아저기 ignore 체샤는 그 말봐 레인두산에 대균센데네 안다가다지 덴바 최야 닝도당 안다는 신기 탁주로 tempo 주고 하디 계속 있어서
Deswegen
This is why when we say we have to live in this society because we want to live or we have to live together, we have to adapt ourselves, we have to be in harmony with others. But even if this is so, then we have to ask ourselves, what is the reality of what is important? We have to see what is happening really, so that we can take the right decisions and to know what is right to do and what is not right to do. That is important.
다 드린지 애티리아 지 체리버도 지 드르지 드르지잖아 땅 이니니 냠도 바뀌지를 시에제 안 두주디 데지 가르쳐 파시아지 주시아지 드르지 안데 두주디 아버지 로트사서 땅 아들이 미지 집에 다나셔베 다다바도 지 암체劝点点给那些자자자자자什么劝点点给那些谢두산 다 그냥 저 지금 녀위기다 그냥 녀위기래 내 인두산 나라의 요구도 봐 그냥 아들지 오디언스이나 야나 니니에 살에 야노 마치로 된 로사래 내 인두산에 땅에 마무시다 슈미 다 디젤이야 아주 좋아 들리는 저리 입에 라세
so dann
저리 당분이 제사시
So today, when today here there would be a scientific here with me, then we could spend the time more easily. We could discuss and have a dialogue together. The time would go much faster, but that's not the case. I am here since this morning and until now, and I give Dharma teachings and teaching. So I don't know how it is for you, if it is boring for you, but in my case I start to be bored. So if I were in the audience with the listeners in this room, either I would be sleeping since a long time or I would have left for a long time already. But today it seems there are also some questions which have been prepared, so we go over to a sequence of question answers.
예. 다지 쏜다.
인지게 돌라
당아라니 나오지 않아 가래. 간데도 지 쏜다.
인지게
음.
so it says so die Frage
So the question is, what are practical solutions in order to protect our environment? Should we stop buying cars, for example? Should we eat less meat, for example?
Solution. Bena that practical solution that dangi karshwati tsiri bena gejigi zamni gejigi United Nations that de thwana practical solution. Deji yugir ba. 다 되게 되려 돈한 생활을 제샤 다이네 다 초전이 셰비미나 아주기 답대로 셰비미나 에너지 까르니 가르쳐다지 마르뉴즈사 에너지 까르용 만즈를 체 근데 셰비미나 된데 지 가르쳐 다 초진 땅 아주 마르바 삼던두사 망부지다 지 잠닌지 내가 돈 셰기 와르데 야 초진이 대삼도 마세베 야지 쿠유그 돌이야 티 개바지 전부 쪽에 또 시에 인도산에 티 균생 돈에 아주 드리지기양 소소 개개면에 드리지기 decision which lem비미나 아버지야 맨로서
First hand, when we talk about practical solutions, many scientists say there is no international solution. for the whole of the planet. But on the other hand, when we try to keep it simple and on a personal level, then it's better to live on a vegetarian diet and eat less meat. So, for example, when we leave the meat on the basis of compassion, but also meat has a really negative impact on environment, and this is also another reason, a good decision to let go of eating meat, or at least eat less meat.
Die Frage ist,
The question is, Your Holiness, I am vegetarian, but I have to buy meat and cook meat for others. How can I do it in a wholesome way? Or or transform this action in a wholesome action.
Andri indusan dati gewala kandes so reserves the drujimda awala so ating artist gala dote
ist etwas schwierig für mich.
This is a bit difficult for me, this question.
Amen. La.
No translation of the jokes in German, so.
Andari Susilia Yonra Charba.
I can,
of course, you can cut the meat yourself, but of course I don't know how to cook. But so then now everybody knows that I have no idea about cooking. I don't know how to cook.
lerne ich dann später.
I will learn that later in my life.
Cheese doa goeche ji chair doa. Karsa dimin.
Fondue.
Deda lela ushuis da.
Fondue?
Fondue, I think, is very easy to cook, to do.
Lela ushuis. Da delia 지당기 인샤디 고리아 지 슈비미나 지당기 가르다 지 남베톤 셰비미나 상기 좀된데 다 셰슈 급디두산에 다지 급디두다지 남베 커뮤니티 스마 라바르도 르중기 에너지 초베나 로레야 샤 베데 까요 마네 양샤창 양샤 까요 마르스 디산 가시기지 양베 대샤 베디까요 말이 네 샤딜이야쿠라 지 카시 사초 카시 사미초 던 지용디 하래 디나네야 샤르지 사미초 리지 다 리디 가르서 넘숨 타베 샤사 시어봐 넘숨 타베 샤사데 가르서나 아니 랑기 체도 세샤 뭐인바 단도나지 랑기 체도 세베 세봉을 수마 통바다 아니 지금 마데 바서머베 다 다네 도바메 데바 다 딘데르치 샤지 사초아레스 안 다나 시급 디두산에 야지 네데 유순 쳔보 마하카샤바 마르웨 마하카샤바디 샤초문도 카셰기 디산 가르라고 그러잖아 아니 시자데 넘숨 다베 샤는데 인지미지 사오레스 대 마사야나 아니 리진 뒤주 찬도레스 근데 신이들요 리진이와 상겔이야 리진 민가사다 아 대와다도
Devadatta, alles so.
대와다다기 러브찬도레스 걸 대와다다기 상겔로 모교에 차체도 그팀 수르도 거란기 거란다 안 거란 로마티스 팀 수에제 아니 상겔 거 고었다마티스 샤사오레스 아주 샤사미스다 제제 대 모교기 남주르 댄스 제브라 제자나 디상 가시들이 쓰요아래 샤사오레스 남순 답에 샤사오르 마도 남순 답에 샤마세나 대와다다는 차로레스 리시오다 데데데 인스만 니데 유순집에 샤스 주고만에 대야보레스 상기 대바나도 다 내가 드리지래 다 티버 침비께서 티버 침비께서래 다 간다냐 수수차 서면 샤뚜베 걸이야 지 숭아르드는 되안도 동샤근데 보디사도 캠보 보디사도에게 동샤가 제베 나로래야 에너지 상기기 체험부터 다야지 숭아르드는 되어야 알았어 이 숭아르드 게 마부 체에 니마서 캠보 보디사도 동샤 잡아나 니마서 아 간다르 이제 숭아르드는 되는지 샤도베 걸 칼라스베 겁든지 숭아르드는 되는지 제비네 야지 오늘은 다시 심진신데 다 남유인비네 대랑와 몰람 칭게 꼼보레 심진신 동의 소리 디체도 삼동기 꼼보레 다이네 디체도 아주 몰람으로 지게 뭐와로 제투네 오늘 야보레 삼정도 드린 뉴스안에 다 드린 숭아 지당 숭아 가는 되네 개바스케마다 얘는 미세드냐 상기 체연으로 된다 미세기 숭아로 된대야 알아 안데 안 캬도 도나체 되베네 아부 이길 삼정
So when we talk about meat in the Buddhist tradition, what the Buddha in his time, to his living time, said, or the instructions he gave to his ordained community and his community, he gave them the authority to eat meat. He didn't give an interdiction to eat meat, but he said there are some sorts of meat which we should not eat. Meat, for example, from which we know or we have a doubt or we have heard that it was killed for ourselves. This is the meat that we should not eat. Mahakashyapa, who didn't eat meat, but today also there are people, then at the time of the Buddha, there were the nephews of the Buddha, Devadatta, who also to his students, in order to say something against the Buddha, to demonstrate something, to be in opposition to the Buddha, he said to his students, you have to be vegetarian. Today, people would say, we have to eat meat because otherwise we are students of Devadatta, but that may be only an excuse to eat meat. Other people say, when we consider from the Mahayana perspective, when we have to prepare meat, then there are specific mantras that we can recite. We can recite the names of the Buddhas, different names of different Buddhas, and is this recognition. Khenpo Shantarakshita's teachings, and I have really tried to find these teachings for a long time, but I haven't found them. But there are also other secret mantras that we can recite. Then, for example, when we eat meat, then it would be good to do a prayer of wish for the animal that we have been eating, when we can then make a dedication prayer for these beings, then that a wish prayer for these beings, that is very good too. And when we want to recite these mantras and names of Buddhas, and we find them, when we look for them and find them, then recite them, then I think we can do something good.
아니나 다도 뒤주망도 주주 제가도
디사도 So die Frage ist
So the question is, our root guru, Dalai Lama has died, is it necessary to find another Lama, or is it possible to continue to practice on the basis of the instructions of our Lama without looking for a new Lama?
이 좋아데 가라 양 좋아데 규로라 녜 조메게 던 주벽에 규고다 나 드링드 다디 다 가라 자외기 자외라마드 총소스 자외라마다 코란스에 코란이나 모라이나디 자외라마 총소스 안드리 자외라마 다 총소스마다 자외라마 총소 라야마다 자외라마 공부 조소스 안드리 뉴스안에 안다 자외라마 공부 조베 인자 디기 제 조베 제려야지 라마 신다르 덴체 자외라마 신다지 덴체 드니 쳐고래다 야나지 자외라마디 셴 마세베치지 응아르게 자외라마디가 마 당와 나샤바디 아니 무투이니 냠레 쳔네 데란트 그레스 드르브시
His Holiness has translated this question in Tibetan for the Tibetans in Zurich.
Aus dem Deutschen.
So yes, I have translated from the German.
다 되어야 다 가늘라고 다디 다디 두어디 유규 첨부를 노다디 그래 디 deshalb 첨부 채고다
Das ist eine gefährliche Frage.
That's a very dangerous question. I have to be very careful. It's a tricky question.
지당기 가르쳐야지 다 자외라마 사야들이야 문진 체다 민자르치 용데도 다 가르쳐 문진 체다 somada 자외라마 사야데 지당기도 미실이야 그러마 라마 망부 용초르지 천제다 대바톱에지 라마 망부 용초래
Allgemein.
In general, there are different ways how we identify our root Lama. One person can have many different Lamas from which one receives Dharma, or with which he has, or for which he has devotion. One person can have a few different Lamas, have few Lamas.
규번 저민기 라마데 규버찌기 인거야 말이야 규번 저민게 라마데 추균 저민게 라마데 요초래
Und da
can have different lamas. So in the same way, it can be lamas from different transmission lineages, or lama from one transmission lineage. That's also possible.
그 간절히 정기 지 베네 템베 서던게 게 기부 담바도 상월로지 지 리미베게 딱 간다 라마 댄체 리미베지 담베게 최 senjong nangsha tinte gengar chade are
all great masters which have restored the teachings in Tibet, in order to do that they had to have different lamas from different schools without being a sectarian. So they received teachings from different lamas from different traditions.
라마 망부 주변에 나네 지 오늘 다 라마 참삼 라마 망부 유디야 참삼 컴퓨터스 자도 지 라마도 주야지 라마를 레스토랑 유디스탄 다 가를 년고나 가를 년고 많이는 삼로지 들지 망부 주요한데 알아 제자도 들려야 지 자야 라마 사디 다지 수수기 지 대바치슈 근데 수술이야 지 그린 치슈로 되게다 라마 딱 가다 주 수술라 지카르에 지 제외 차는 저바 치슈로 지 드리지 라마디 다지 라마 쪼르 치체 수수기 딱 갈업 슈스난다도 람된 슈스스난다도 이제 라마 쪼르 치대 대야지 여베이면 땡과지 그지 저거라
And one can have many lamas. Among these many lamas, we have one main lama. Sometimes it's also like this, that when we have many lamas, we can get confused, and with different lamas give maybe different instructions, and however, mainly we have, most of the time we have one main lama, or we call it a root lama. That would be the lama for which we have the most devotion, for the one lama that we find the most loving towards us, so the one we have the strongest connection, and our love and devotion is the most profound. That would be our main or root lama.
꾸썸부를 진지 인과 아스페지 매외서지 양해는 대신백 지 라마 진지의 의미냐 랑게 자야 라마 매바치 수수 대바치부터 예의미나 근데 매바치지 순대로 체든지 제의미나 아니 제수 증기 인제 근데 셰지 셰는데 왕보여래 드링 비슷한 디규젠데네 아지 수수에게 다 너는 자야 라마 수이민 사데 다지 소소라 바지 마세 소소를 라래 되베 소치 마도베 다
Genauso.
In the same way, the root lama, the main lama, does not have to be a living lama. It can be a lama which has already passed away. When we have deep devotion and confidence and love for this lama, and we from this devotion and love and connection we pray to this even passed away lama, then there would be a transmission which can happen. There are many stories that tell about this, and when our root lama, who is our root lama, this is really dependent on ourselves. It depends from ourselves. It's really the lama for which we have the most devotion and love.
야, 내가 아직 가라로서나. 아, 저전에 안지 수술 자라면 고만 양해 대 사위입니다. 지단 될라 지 수술이야. 야지 냠내게 토하네 지 강해로 체든 제위입니다. 저전에 수련대 비치알라서다 안지 드네 제야 연구를 야, 저진에 지 라마 디기 자야 라마 디기 로메 조암 다 계속으로 드네 예위입니다. 디군düne 안에 당화 휴제 아직 가서 된지 쉐이나 하고 뭐 저거래 나나 신기 야지 라마 신기 군düne야 참선지 강해로 체체위미나 그 남들 쉬는 저거래 다 이번에 조드지 소소에게 따지 가서다 따지 셈기 대사로디 안제 자라마로 지금 셈기 대사로 디체제 드비시나 봐지 저만도 something.
But when our lama has passed away, our root lama has passed away, then we have difficulties maybe in our practice. Then it is good to try to find and connect with a living lama, or if the root lama has a regent or a main student, then we can receive instructions, deep instructions from this regent. In the same way, when we have difficulties in our practice, or when we have difficulties to find new lamas, then we can ask new lamas to new lamas to help us. But the root, the main lama that will be in our heart would be really our root lama would be in our heart. So even if we have other lamas that we will meet, then we still have the connection to our root lama, and this connection will be very important even if we have other lamas that we find to get instructions.
다 여보 맞이하는 매주 저러서다. 매주 저러에 냥도.
코리골 제가 대상 코리 앞에 두쳐 쳤는데 근데 양계를 야부 차야 내가 아이 나나스 마루데 제복 얌나 근데 거리 나가 차야 내가 아이 나나스 Die Frage ist,
The question is, Your Holiness, do you think that the planet Earth can recover from all this devastation that humans have made on it if more people start to change their behavior? Then do you think it is possible that Earth will recover from all the destructions?
다들 레와디 레와스마로 다지 쿠유디 코르도르도 조여비 인자 안도 간다르지 아주 삼로지 아술을 삼동도 매비네야 요아동도 매비네 런중 쿠유디 고랑 아주 진 요아동 알지 삼성 아주 내 삼성 들테네 당 아주 왜네 런신 요아동 사다 가보시 면로스 다이네 쿠유기 요아동인데 아주 요아 마루라 주시거든 아주 교화 말으라 그러지. 안다지 드린두산에 디토안에 지 참sam지 오늘 가주래. natural punishment, some natural disaster punishment. 근데 지 참사 근데 총나마다 당 아주 교화도나다 디스칼라가 버리시면 로섬 나들 정도 다 이내 땡땡 지 고랑 가수르다 지 하르라다 이내 아주 상물로지 가수에 구육이 균도사다 야첨부시지 점물이 야첨부로 구육 균도 야첨부시라래 야첨부이 민주사 람상 아줄이야 초아요 하데 지 가수에 깔아 가버시도 드린인주스 임비내양 안 참여기지 아주 베게라 티버사비 야수사야지 저봐 취 티버산 근데 야수 쳐 차로에 있는 신기 근데 제장 아주 참여기 엔 미지ring 거를 제제 근데 지금 매주지 제비입니다 땡땡 이 펜터 아래 이 펜터 여버 때 아주 벤슨 지 example 다 망보지 용데 아래 드린두산에 진짜기 통하네 아주 참여 심쇼 맞아 시작하되 개심벌을 섬도 정도 아주 미ring 거를 참여했던 시작해야지 가르에서나 아주 거두이네 지 government 지 슝저지기 다지 다주를 지아지 근데 지 국지 대비나 안 가보라 company다 government다 지주기 직책에서 전되나 가라하브래 government company 지 좋았다마다 때 가솔을 알려야 돼 배낭 아주 잘라 뉴에 걸로 이미네야 등산 당과에 지 고유를 내견 용아 진짜기 지 고유를 지 가솔에 지 tumbuye ba dinde gi ta ganda jalar ba dinde nya la so ba tan dona nga zu tamga cheba tigi khuzuliya affected ba rushi decision maker zuli affected ba chade kechi brishta men ro so tusting du
this hope to know of the earth being able to recover.
wenn wir nur
If we only hope, if we ask, is there hope? Can we hope that the world will recover? Then this will not change anything. This only will not change a thing. So, if in order to change something, the Earth environment gives us more and more teachings, shows us that we have to change something. From inside out, it is very difficult to change ourselves, but if there are more and more natural catastrophes as a kind of these catastrophes, which would be kind of teaching that would say that we have to really, it's a kind of punishment which would say that we really have to change our behavior. But when we see the planet and the environment is very broad, wide, and to change the whole environment of the whole planet, that's very difficult. But we have this Tibetan saying, which is saying when we one drop after the other will fill the ocean, or one drop after the other will make a hole in the stone. So if each one of us makes an effort, then this will definitely bring a change and bring be useful, bring a change to the environment. So if we wait for the governments to change something, or the institutions, or the business that they will change something, we can wait for a long time. So I think we ourselves have to be an example, show the example, and from our mind take this decision that we as an individual want to do something. So when we wait for the government to change something, when we want the government to change, this is also in our hand. For example, there are many tools and objects which are less destructive for the environment, which are less harmful for our environment. So when we change our way of consuming things, then this will have a change. It will make a change also in the people's minds.
좋습니다. 다 도나타 다리 가주에 아주 수실이야. 한 도마 영어체 안드레다 지금 제림들 상말로 바지 디링긴 주디에서 차수. 안드레인 주산에 다리 고급들 뛴체 아주다 지금 제림 프로그램 디지털이야 레가치니 그리고 처리치니 아주 레가치니 듄리야바다 갸블리야바다 상월로리야 투시 슈아인
Ich denke,
I think we are coming to an end of this first visit in Switzerland, and the program comes to an end, and all the ones who in the front and also in the back have been working for this program, have been preparing this program. I would like to express my gratitude, my thanks.
ane andari karsue jige ma kyanso kingre daji Europe le ya gega mangbu yare gega mangbu ye inza ane thari thoma chebi na ben benjam le kyuz dwar chebi benjam ta ine ya ane gega mangbu chayo du sa kala khabrushtu tene indusane ane kare nyurta benjam di jeman dwar dus chebre.
And we all, as we all know, in Europe there are many countries, and was asked to go also to Belgium, but because there are so many countries in Europe, it is difficult to reach them all or to go to visit them all. So it would not be possible this time, but hopefully and later in a later time.
ngala yonggoes khola yonggoes labdusane and kawangel joye kawangi jen joye mitsamege 당봉 아주자리 여러지라도 이 영화 당봉 아주자 여러지 nga 미지와도 매자 데 당부 직치는데 예급질만 로도 말아다 뒤지레베 근데 내지 잠만 로도 면서 다 잠잠 갈래르스도 근데 인주자 안다리 수질이야 마시고마 로 ngadu ngeni ju susilya chari chasan lu cheje ta den direjliya drama dobre and den industane ene karshwe and deri yangar ene maji susilya yoaji nangoru mchera azu tunju zorku den konanzu ta 우주를 침박했는데 체인자 안다리지 가르에 용도로 충분해 근데 이두산에 조데다 고난속이 저리 나니에서 대리 고난속에 우주를 개자 말한 데버총 뭐마지 팅지 로토요 말에 디가 우주 침박했 근데 시두산에 안다지 다 수시 라다보디 수시리아 라르시 Dinderuchi mandurangro rabuchi samarta mili pa kisi shedu san ta mandurangro chasum kya zo gombo metsums an ngela shusin dona ma yo samares dinderuchi je ta kanda joto bru chongso nindu san dari go dunje ane ngakoro mu se dana jing a ju tenje za sanglo ya tu chi shuai.
And sometimes I come and I find some difficulties. I feel a bit stressed because in Europe many countries ask me, request me to come, all say, come to see us. And of course this is puts me in a difficult situation. Then I'm only one single person and I can be only in one place at one time. So it makes it difficult. And this time, so I came to Switzerland, and actually 5 to 6 years ago I was already invited to Switzerland and everything had been prepared, but finally I couldn't come. I didn't make it. So this time the fact that I could come is mainly through the Namkar Rinpoche and the office of His Holiness the Dalai Lama in Switzerland, which have really insisted on me coming to Switzerland because it had already been prepared in the past. So they really insisted on the fact that I would come. So this time it was a bit more easy to decide that I would come to Switzerland, and I hope the others will not be upset about this. So this time it's the first time I came to Switzerland, and so first I want to mainly thank the Bureau of His Holiness and Namkar Rinpoche.
아니 단도나 nga peni su chojudu yondu sanda didu lo chubshire an didu sanda choju yongwa gyumzenru di zo di da kanda chi chige lungbe nalo liya chi rangwaan kwa na chi rugyo chiya an chi chige lungbe nalo ya yue debe chi lama naba tsuyi na yare da na chi chobo naba tsuyi na yare pimi tsuyi na yare da kanda changwa lo ya rangwaan da debe kwa na tuje rup chi chungna sama dinde rup chi chayin chi zo rup da dinde rup chi kunoro dinde chi kieshe ane peyane dosu choye choye yongbare da ine gyaga lebe shugule de ji samdyon kaya la ya ji le labaru chi ma shung che ane tadabadu da duzu mangbo shiv chi kuwan dosu chebare dringi dusan di gyunzen tena da kanda kale rup chi kangye rup kazi shungba tezu chi ki samla chona rup che yongduwa ane dringi dusan dari de yongdubu shungwa de be marang gego ne chona ting samruji shira chonsu samruji dinde chengdu an dring du sane an darin de ywa de nyongche an ngazu degebe pyuri manzo zu tuya ge gogab chongbude an gabashira chongs an kya samruya 가수니 아니 마음바리 야네야도 말아줘 지 도제 연투다 말아이네 대수 야네야도 연투야 러버럽시다 들이 비지르지레 자와사버지레 양 아주 사머지 르르지엔 도야도다 지 들이자 고급을 시작 초마서 이 마음바리 야네야도 들이쳐다 러이게 나는 좀 아주 대외 지게 저거들에 나는 청탁하는 배대회 주 초는 배대회 미 성물로 이렇게 성물로 도시에서 그런 제주야인
And if I resume, I can say, as I came from Tibet, I have been escaping from Tibet as when I was 14. The main reason was that I was hoping that when I live in a free country, then I would also be able to go freely to abroad and travel to other countries to meet the other lamas living there and Tibetans and friends who are living in these free countries. But now then when I arrived in India, I firstly had many difficulties. I was not able to travel to anywhere. I always had big hopes that it would work out, and finally that the fact that I could come here gives me a very strong feeling of happiness and contentment. So that this time also I could meet the Tibetans who are living here. This is filling me with a big happiness, joy, and I hope that we can meet again and again. And even if this time I was really busy and we didn't have time to be together in a relaxed way, then I hope in the future I will be able to do that. And also my other Western friends who have come here, I would really like to thank you very much, all of you, express my thankfulness.
달로 조로 지도 오네 배주 조로 지도 제자다 제 엔다는 아주 레공 거봐 가산 교지 자 고고 충분해 근데 지금 오늘은 지금 주규 리메이크 한 긴두베게 여베체 한 다는 신기 배우셔들 좀 순교 토할이야 차례 한 다다보도 오늘 로마 버진이야 차례 나지 아우시다 중사 대래 투치 슈아이 나 다는 신가 주지 지주 줘봐 지금 산 동아리 또 쉬어래 고난 주임이는 오늘지 지 템바다 템발이야 샤신 다 라삼 전부 여비지 도스레샤 안 다는 신가 주 대여비지 베베기 아주다 지조로 지여비 인두산다 미 동작하시 지여비 인두산 그냥 상호로 아니 가르에 다 야부시다 안도스 라우마르 다지 가이 문에지 수수이네지 셈바 법게 버버지 도삼 정도 다당도 모티베시 초지는 아주 다 수스 아참 장참 수스련 예비체 안 표에다 배지 타른 무르지 장타 최세 타른 무르지 돼야래 네 이내야 안 표에 예배지 필리핀다체 안솔이야지 레와 레웨기 미그루딩 아솔이야 당시 예배 인두산에 디균센데네 아주지 에네 수수 포유 마제르지다 안 표에 예배지 빈다체기 지 디도 마제버르 디지가 토하네 그냥 사람 못이네 심주 맞아도 시작시스 도시야 도시
In the same way, a few days ago I could visit the Rikon monastery, and this also really filled me with joy to see the work that is being done there, in the spirit of Rimoi, the non-sectarian movement practiced there. In this spirit, I really also want to express my thanks for that, and also to the members of the Sechen Chokpas, who really are serving the teachings and the pure motivation, and all the Tibetans that are here, the community of the Tibetans. There are many thousands here, and one must say that you are really all good people. Although you are living here in Switzerland and living far away from Tibet, I think it is important that to know that the Tibetans in Tibet have placed their hope in us, that we are acting for their well-being, and that we don't forget the Tibetans in Tibet, and that we do not forget their suffering, and also try to really continue to act for their well-being.
So, Your Holiness, as President of Rigsinn Switzerland, main organizer of this event, and in the name of all of us here, I would like to thank you for the inexpressible blessings that you have granted us during these 12 days in Switzerland. You have taught us the depths of Buddhism in a way that was at the same time profound, easy to understand, and with sparkling sense of humor. As you mentioned it, we have prepared a very busy schedule throughout your stay in Switzerland. And because we did want to make the best use of every minute of your presence for your first visit of Switzerland. So I think we almost succeeded to do so. You have kindly agreed to visit and bless our Dharma Center, Tekchokling, in Lausanne. You gave public teaching and empowerment in Geneva, gave a conference to medical students, and participated in a dialogue with scientists at the University of Lausanne. Then on Tuesday, the 24th, you have visited a Gelug Dharma Center called Tuptem Chamsenling near Bulle. Then we crossed the Röstigraben, which we call that the gap between French-speaking Switzerland and German-speaking Switzerland. And we arrived in Bern, where you were welcomed by Alexander Chepet, the mayor of Bern. You also visited the Rigpe Dorje Center at the House of Religion, where a large amount of Tibetans came to welcome you. You took the time to bless them all one by one, and it even seems that some of them came back 2 or 3 times to receive your blessings. Then on the 25th, at Tselingpal Den Taksham, which is Namkar Rinpoche's oldest and best friend in Switzerland, organized successive visits to Padma Medicine Institute, Rikong Monastery, and the headquarters of Rokpa Humanitarian Association, all in one day. Then at the Kameha Hotel, you have met a number of groups and offered them your advices and blessings, and only to mention the major ones, it was Tselchut Sorpa, Kunsan Dogang Ling, the Kagyu practitioners of Switzerland, both Tibetans and Swiss, the Tibetan Youth Group, Tibetan representatives of every canton. You have also visited the home of His Eminence Kyabje Shiwala Rinpoche, where you could see all the spiritual treasures of the Taksham tradition. And finally, this weekend, you gave us public teaching to over 1,900 people. Yesterday, during the free teaching for Tibetan people, I better not mention the amount of people there was, because that was way beyond what the law and the reason would have allowed. So at the end, I did take the time to make an estimation of the total amount of people that you have blessed and taught during those 12 days. And it reaches an amount of around 7,135 people, which gives us an average of 594 people a day. So you said it was your dream since childhood to come to Switzerland. On our side, it has been our dream for over 6 years to welcome you here. And finally, thanks to the close collaboration and hard work of Kungo Ngudrup Dorje, representative of His Holiness Dalai Lama in Switzerland, Rinpoche Tulku Rinpoche and Namkar Rinpoche, we have managed to make this dream come true. And it seems it was also the dream of the entire Tibetan community of Switzerland and of many, many Swiss people to welcome you here, as so many people have gathered everywhere you went. So as we were preparing your visit, we heard that you expressed your wish to meet with many Tibetan people, as Switzerland is the oldest and most important Tibetan settlement in Europe. We have organized this event in close collaboration with Mr. Tenzin Nyingpo and Lanning Pema Tsering, President and Vice President of the Tibetan community, in order to ensure that you could meet as many Tibetans as possible. And I believe in that point, your visit was a great success. So our hope and prayer is that this would be the first chapter of a long-lasting connection between Your Holiness and Switzerland. So we believe you can help preserve and establish the pristine tradition of Tibetan Buddhism and be the spiritual heir of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who has himself constantly maintained a very deep connection with the Tibetan community in Switzerland. So as organizers, we are conscious that we have given you great hardship during your stay, making you very, very busy. We only did that trying to fulfill the thousands of people who were eagerly waiting to receive your blessings. I hope that you still enjoyed your stay in Switzerland. We promise you that next time you come, we will keep some quiet time for you to enjoy the Swiss mountains, Swiss cows, and Swiss chocolate. So as you said yesterday, that if you would come back, you would be scared to empty Nam Karimshe's wallet. But please, we are ready to open and empty our wallets again anytime you would agree to come. So please come again and again. We will all be waiting for your holy presence, like thirsty people craving for water. If you can come back even this year, it would be the best for all of us. If not, please come whenever it is possible for you in your very vast activities. We will be ready to welcome you anytime. So before concluding, I would like to publicly present the budget of this event. Between Geneva and here, we have sold a total of 3,050 seats, including 69 sponsored tickets. This gives us a grand total of 431,000 Swiss francs of income. And I would like to use this occasion to thank all those who bought sponsored tickets for their important contributions to the event. So the total expenses are not completely fixed yet, but they are now estimated to just a little less than 400,000, so around 398,000. The main costs of this event are the rental of the teaching halls with technical equipment and staff, the conference rooms at the hotel, security, decoration, mandala offerings, transportation, food, accommodation for all of Your Holiness and your entourage. So that leaves us with an estimated profit of 33,000 Swiss francs. Out of that, we have decided to offer 10,000 Swiss francs to the Tibetan community of Switzerland and Liechtenstein to support their activities for preserving Tibetan language and culture. Then we will have to wait 2 or 3 weeks to gather all the unexpected bills and finalize the budget. And after that, whichever profit there will be left from this event, we will not keep anything for our Dharma Center, but we will offer the entire amount to Turpo Labran in order to serve Your Holiness's activity. So finally, I would like to express my gratitude to His Holiness's sister, Chamsema Ngudru Pelzom, and to the entire entourage of His Holiness for the great help that you bring for all His Holiness's activity. We also would like to apologize to Your Holiness and your entourage for all the shortcomings in the preparation of this event. Sometimes events were prepared too short, sometimes too long, and you have very patiently accepted to follow our entire schedule as we have prepared it. I would also like to reiterate my gratitude to Kungo Ngudrup Dorje, as you are holding the seats of representative of His Holiness Dalai Lama in Geneva. With great kindness and in harmony with all, you have been really showing great respect for the Dharma, and you truly managed to separate the Dharma and politics. And it has been an immense pleasure to work with you, and we hope that you can stay as representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama for a long, long time. So special thanks also to the translators, my old friend Palen Dorje, Markus Rodemeyer here on stage. I was very proud to see you here, and you did a very great job. Thanks also to Nathalie Bourquin, who translated the English in the cabin. I think you both deserve a very good round of applause for your wonderful work. I would also tell our Chinese guests that we're sorry we could not prepare a Chinese translation on this event, as it was the first invitation, but we will surely make sure that we do so for the next visit. And finally, I would like to thank all the volunteers for your work, security officers, Herr Spüller, and all the staff of the Stadthalle. It has been wonderful to work with you all. And finally, thanks to all of you who have come here. It was a great moment to share these blessings with all of you. There is no word to express the gratitude for the opportunity you have given us to humbly contribute to your ocean-like activities, especially on this blessed month of Sakadawa, in this blessed year of the monkey, the year of Guru Rinpoche. Thank you for the blessings that you brought to the entire country of Switzerland, and with folded hands, we beg you all to come back again and again to our country as soon as possible.
Eure Heiligkeit,